See behind the jumps. So let's keep it clean. Corners ready, drivers ready. We're going racing. Sound of the tone. Caleb, will you go back to the 6 bucket real quick? Go back to the 6 bucket. Evans decided he's mad at me and he's not going to corner marshal. So about 4-wheel drive, short course, A main number 1 on the track right now.
11 laps left.
They're on a 12-lap run.
Ten laps left.
So Daniel Price, Tim Nelson, Mike Wetmore leading them around. Then it's a whole train of other guys here. Wasn't a terrible start, pretty good. Once the smoke clears out, we'll try and lower the doors just a little bit. Your leader, Daniel Price, up, step down right now.
9 laps left.
Left-hand side of the track as he goes into the sweeper. And into that little sister, big brother goes big air over the whole thing. Extreme Hobbies triple now. Comes up short on it, goes for a tumble. Daniel, Mike, Tim, Rick, and Alberto, your top 5. Then Matt, Darren, Spencer, Chad, and Jeremy, your top 10.
8 laps left.
So Daniel, Mike, Tim, Rick, Alberto, Matt, Darren, Spencer, Chad, Jeremy, Cody, Brian, Jay, Jackson, and Rod, the running order right now. Daniel already with a 4-second advantage on the rest of the field now as he tries to pull away just a little bit. He's working through some lap traffic in this one. Daniel Price, Mike Wetmore, Tim Nelson, Alberto, and Darren Stading is your top 5 in this one.
6 laps left.
With 6 laps to go as your leader goes into that Sean Turner paint sweeper. And the all pink and silver working beautiful up there. Comes into that Extreme Hobbies triple, drifts it around. Works through that Speed Freaks RC switchbacks. And down up over this floater here in the back towards the driver's stand now. Quarter marshal held back on the exit of that horseshoe and clear. Alberto Contreras, your TQ in this one, currently running down in the 4th position. It's Wetmore out in front. As Daniel works in the back section of the track, goes the inside of Jackson right now. 2nd place. Is Mike Wetmore, and he's going to be about 6 seconds back right now. And Mike and Tim in a battle. They always seem to find each other on the track. Pretty comparable skill sets. They find a way to be racing next to each other. Make sure if a guy comes up on your lap and you hold a wide racing line, give him a little bit of room here in four-wheel drive. Short course brought to you by FactoryRC.com. Daniel, Mike, Tim, Alberto, Rick, Darren, Matt, Jeremy, Brian, and Spencer, your top 10. Chad in the 11, Cody, Jay, Jackson, and Rod. Four-wheel drive thought everybody was going to make the show. Then it turned out we got a late entry, which gave me 5 people in that main, so I couldn't put a 17-car field. So we ended up with a 15-car field here. And Daniel Price trying to get a 1 of 3 with 2 laps to go. Tim Nelson now starting to feel some pressure from Alberto as those drivers work. Oh, and Tim goes upside down now, so Alberto actually goes by. And Alberto will go into the Speed Freak switchbacks, and Tim follows them there. So Alberto will move up to a top 3 here to try and recover some of those positions from his TQ spot. And I'm going to need volunteer marshals to come out for rookie after this, and then I'll need my four-wheel drive guys to come back for two-wheel buggy. Daniel Price, Mike Wetmore, Alberto, Tim, Darren, your top 5. Alberto's already 9 seconds back of Alberto, so makes a few more mistakes as race him to the line. Daniel Price will secure the win. 12 and a 7:22 pace. Race him to the line, race him to the line. No more real battles left on the track there, so just finish the lap you're on. We can probably drop the doors just a little bit now, maybe bring them down to half throat or something like that, as we get into a couple more electric classes before that Truggy A main.